Introducing KEA HEX, the multi-tool like no other. To create something truly unique, we knew we had to think differently, to build something with tools you will actually use. We started with the thing you'll use most, a full-sized, versatile blade, then paired it with everyday tools like you've never seen before. A single, rotating hexagonal dial, cycling through essential tools, each locking securely in place. No bulk, no folding parts, just amazingly thin, effortlessly light, and built to go with you everywhere.
Across all our products, from our fabric to our logo, one shape endures, the hexagon. It's nature's form of strength and efficiency. It became the foundation of the KEA HEX, a design that redefines how a multi-tool performs, featuring just the tools you'll use every day. The magnetic hex driver, a pry bar, a can and box opener, a hammer, and of course, a knife. The blade is crafted from D2 steel, renowned for its edge retention and durability. Holding it all together, a fiberglass composite called G10. G10 allows us to get that beautiful textured finish and signature color while being extremely lightweight and weather resistant. It's shaped to fit perfectly in the hand and feel solid when in use, whilst remaining remarkably slim. The KEA HEX is a unique tool, years in the making, and designed to always be by your side. Final prototypes are complete and production ready. We just need your help to bring it to life. Back us today and become a part of the KEA HEX story, and be the first to hold it in your hand.